blessed in multiple departments, looking better than the clothes in the department store. Yes, Captain, they all aboard. This a trend.
Hello there, welcome to another Human DIY. Today I'm fixing our S102 John Deere Mower. June! Our belt fell off, and then Kristen ran over it, cut it, and so now here's another belt. So, never done this before, let's figure it out. So starting out, we have this fine drawing on the back of the packaging that you're supposed to put the belt through the gears just like this. Next, you're going to want to undo some of the covers in the mower so that you can get the belt through it. Here I'm removing one on the left side of the mower. And then here I'm jumping into putting the belt through the gear at the front of the mower. Now you're going to want to put the belt through these black holes at the front. You can see there's two of them, and then string it through into the back of the gear so that it's wrapped around. And so that the belt doesn't rub on anything else, but it goes through those black iron things. And next I'm undoing another gear here. You have to remove it because there's a metal piece that holds the belt in place. Without it, you're not going to be able to fit the belt through. And then I'm going and putting the belt through the first cover that we had partially removed. Just make sure you undo it enough so that you can get the belt through and make sure it's on the gears. Here you can see another gear that looked like the one we just did. You basically do the same thing on this side. You have to remove it because there's the metal piece that holds the belt in place, so remove it. I had a little bit of difficult time to it, but I got it, and then just slip the belt right in and then tighten it back up. Moving right along, we're going to the other side to remove the cover on the other gear. It's just the same way that the other side did it. This one actually was a little bit more difficult to get off and then put the belt through, but I got it through and made sure that it was working correctly. You can see how the belt is through all the loops and gears, and it looks just like the drawing. So we should be good.
Is Mo ready?
I think it is.
Nice.
I got hungry again.
You did?
Yeah.
I know. You're sweaty.
It's hot.
I know. Alright,
I think we got it. As in, I got it.
I tried to help.
Kristen tried to help. She did. But
kind of a one.
I was in a race against the clock. Alright, all that stuff's in there. You can see in the video how it's in there. Now we're gonna see if it turns on and is good. So let's check it. Alright, all looks good. Christy, what do you say?
I'm ready to mow.
Sweet. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Kristen, hit the tagline.
Like and subscribe. See you out there.
See you out there. Bye.